Today we are going to conduct exam 1 of chapter number 2, final accounts of partnership. 15 marks, and I would allow you 20 minutes because this is just the test of objective questions. Right? Ready? So here I am presenting a question paper section A in front of you. Section A is an MCQ, multiple choice question, each of 1 mark, total 8 marks. First question, apprentice premium is dash to dash account. First option credited, second option means उसी में second answer trading account, B debit dot profit and loss account, C credit dot profit and loss account, D debit dot trading account. Second question, an amount of depreciation on furniture given in trial balance is dash. Debited to profit and loss account, B debited to profit and loss account and deducted from furniture on asset side of balance sheet, C deducted from furniture on asset side of balance sheet, D none of these. Third question, debit effect of the interest on loan of partner is shown dash. On debit side of trading account, B on debit side of profit and loss account, C on debit side of profit and loss appropriation account, D on credit side of partners capital or current account. Fourth question, where will you show the debit balance of partners current account? A debit side of profit and loss account, B liability side of balance sheet, C credit side of profit and loss account, D asset side of balance sheet. Fifth question, where will you give the credit effect of the adjustment rent received in advance? A deduct from rent on credit side of profit and loss account, B add to rent on credit side of profit and loss account, C liability side of balance sheet, and D asset side of balance sheet. Credit effect of the adjustment rent received in advance. कहाँ दोगे आप? Sixth one, where will you show TOLI? I repeat, TOLI in final accounts. A debit to trading account, B debit to profit and loss account, C credit to trading account, D none of these. Presenting the seventh, where will you effect interest on the investment of provident fund? Where will you effect interest on the investments of provident fund? A credit to profit and loss account, B credit to profit and loss appropriation account, C on liability side of balance sheet, D add to provident fund on liability side of balance sheet. Eighth question, where will you give a debit effect for the appropriation of profit to general reserve? I repeat, where will you give a debit effect for the appropriation of profit to general reserve? A debit to profit and loss account, B debit to profit and loss appropriation account, C liability side of balance sheet, D A and B both. Now we are moving to section B, answer in short, each of 1 mark, total 7 marks. Ninth question, what is credit balance of trading account is called? Give closing entry. 10th question, give adjustment entry of discount reserve on debtors. 11th question, where will you show workers accident compensation fund? Question mark. Where will you show depreciation on factory in final accounts? 13th question, give adjustment entry of stationery stock, give its effects also. 14th question, lease all building is of rupees 60,000 shown in trial balance, which is for 5 years. How much would be an annual depreciation? And 15th question, give closing entries for profit and loss appropriation account. So my dear students, wishing you all the best and perform the best from your end. Take 20 minutes, be honest, write full paper with full of preparation. All the best once again. Good luck. Bye-bye.